Are you ready to test your knowledge? Today's quiz will challenge your brain with fun and exciting questions. Keep track of your score, challenge your friends, and see how many you can get right. Let's begin. Question 1. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? Heart, a liver, a lung, kidney. Answer: heart. Question 2. How many bones does an adult human typically have? 198, 206, 214, 220. Answer: 206. Question 3. Which organ produces insulin? Liver, pancreas, spleen, gallbladder. Answer: pancreas. Question 4. What is the largest organ in the human body? Liver, brain, or lung, skin? Answer: skin. Question 5. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? Retina, cornea, iris, lens. Answer: iris. Question 6. What is the strongest muscle in the body by force? Biceps, tongue, jaw muscle, masseter, calf. Answer: jaw muscle, masseter. Question 7. Which bone protects the brain? Rib, femur, skull, pelvis. Answer: skull. Question 8. Where are red blood cells made? Bone marrow, liver, heart, lungs. Answer: bone marrow. Question 9. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Veins, arteries, capillaries of venules. Answer: arteries. Question 10. What is the longest bone in the body? Tibia, humerus, radius, femur. Answer: femur. Question 11. Which organ filters waste from the blood? Kidney, lung, stomach, pancreas. Answer: kidney. Question 12. What is the main function of the lungs? Digest food, produce hormones, exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide, filter blood. Answer: exchange oxygen. Question 13. Which part of the brain controls balance? Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, hypothalamus. Answer: cerebellum. Question 14. How many chambers does the human heart have? 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: 4. Question 15. Which organ stores bile? Pancreas, gallbladder, spleen, appendix. Answer: gallbladder. Question 16. What is the largest internal organ? Heart, brain, liver, kidney. Answer: liver. Question 17. Which part of the body contains the patella? Shoulder, elbow, knee, wrist. Answer: knee. Question 18. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? A+, B+, A+, O-. Answer: O-. Question 19. Which vitamin is mainly produced when skin is exposed to sunlight? Answer: vitamin D. Question 20. Which organ is responsible for hearing? Eye, ear, nose, tongue. Answer: ear. Question 21. How many pairs of ribs does a normal human have? 10, 11, 12, 13. Answer: 12. Question 22. Which part of the body contains the smallest bones? Foot, hand, ear, nose. Answer: ear. Question 23. Which organ removes toxins from the blood? Liver, a lung, heart, thyroid. Answer: liver. Question 24. What is the medical name for the voice box? Trachea, larynx, pharynx, bronchus. Answer: larynx. Question 25. Which part of the digestive system absorbs most nutrients? Answer: small intestine. Question 26. Which bone is commonly called the collarbone? Scapula, clavicle, ulna, radius. Answer: clavicle. Question 27. What is the normal resting heart rate for most adults? Answer: 60 to 100 beats per minute. Question 28. Which organ produces bile? Pancreas, liver, kidney, spleen. Answer: liver. Question 29. Which part of the eye detects light? Retina, cornea, iris, pupil. Answer: retina. Question 30. What is the largest artery in the body? Carotid, pulmonary, aorta, femoral. Answer: aorta. Party Popper, great job. How many questions did you get right? Share your score in the comments below and let us know how you did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun quizzes on QwizWize. See you in the next challenge.